Hello everybody, I am Leon from How to Webmaster. Welcome back to my tutorial training on how to set up a passive earning affiliate review blog. Today is part 2, finding a niche, how to look for keywords and gather your product list. And this entire blogging strategy can work for anything, any products, digital products, software, app, services. It can work for anything. So let's do an example. You can be blogging about vacuum cleaners and promote Amazon products. That's up to you. Now, ideally, how many products should you be reviewing about on your blog? I do not recommend blogging about everything under the sun. Keep it pretty small, like around 10 products, because you don't want to have a blog and then have thousands or hundreds of vacuum cleaners. That will confuse your visitors because they're looking for reviews and comparisons on the best vacuum cleaners. And if you give them a comparison or blog about 100 vacuum cleaners, they're going to be confused and not sure what to pick. So I recommend about 10 products. For example, here my site, I only blog about 5 products, and then I choose 3 of the most popular right here, and then I narrow it down to only 1 or 2 that is the top. So it gives them a clear choice of which one to go for. So ideally you should promote or blog about something you have passion about or have experience with or know a lot about. Okay, once you find a niche or a product, I recommend going to SpyFu. This is a site that will analyze keywords and show you search volume results, and it's free. So here, I'll leave the link down below as well. So here, just type in a keyword, shark vacuum cleaner review, to make sure you add that in just to see how many searches a month this exact keyword is getting searched for. So right here, 200 monthly search volume. That is not a whole lot for this particular keyword, but if you look at the similar keywords, there are actually 7,800 similar keywords. So we have here shark vacuum cleaners, 36,500 searches a month. And then we got shark vacuum cleaner reviews. So this is a more popular keywords, but as you can see, there are a decent amount of keywords related to shark vacuum cleaner. So this is something that is worthy of building a site. If you type a keyword in or a product name with the review, and it's getting like 0 monthly search volume, and then similar keywords is very low and there's like nobody searching for it, then you probably do not want to be blogging about something that no one is searching for, since they're not going to visit your site and make you money. Let's do another example here. You can do web hosting, review blogging. So this particular keyword is not getting a whole lot of search volume, and there are 150 similar keywords. And you can see here, review. It's getting roughly maybe a couple thousands or more a month, combining all these review keywords. And the thing with Google, say if you're blogging about HostGator review, if somebody searches for HostGator reviews with an S and similar keywords, will actually may show up for your site. So don't just look at one keyword and assume that if you're targeting this keyword, you're only going to get this exact amount. You're going to get similar keywords traffic as well. You never know what kind of keywords are going to show up exactly. So let me do an example here for my site. One of my product here, the best binner. So if I type in Google the best binner, my site is actually on the first page, but it's at the bottom here, articlespinnerreviews.com. It's on the first page but at the bottom. And if I do the best binner review, my site is also first page, but it's actually at the top right here. And if I do the best binner reviews with an S, my site is also at the top, even though I don't even talk about the best binner reviews with an S in my content. I don't even target it, but my blog post or my review post is still at the top for this keyword. And if I search for the best binner review and all the words are together, no spaces, my site is at the top as well, even though I do not have any of this exact keyword without the space in my content. It's still showing up. So as you can see, similar keywords, you can rank for those as well. So don't just judge a product or keyword just by looking at one of them, your site can be ranking for a variety of similar keywords. And again, just like this example, Shark vacuum cleaner, only $200 monthly, but the similar keywords are getting maybe over 100,000 similar keyword searches for this product. So look at both of these similar keywords and monthly search volume for all of your products that you're interested in reviewing about. Okay, let's go back here. So the next step is to gather a product list, roughly 10 items, 10 products that you're interested in reviewing about. And I'll also leave a link to some recommended resources and tools. I'll show you guys some affiliate networks down below in the video description. Okay, that's all for this part. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Please leave a comment down below. Thank you for viewing. Please like and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more blogging tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and until next time, happy blogging.